Here's how to fix the screen overlay detected error in GCash. 1. Disable screen overlay apps. Most often, the error happens because of apps that use floating windows or overlays, like chat heads in Facebook Messenger or screen recording apps. To fix the issue, you need to disable these apps' screen overlay permissions. On Android, go to Settings greater than Apps and Notifications, or Apps in some versions of Android. Tap See All Apps if applicable, or select App Info. Look for any app that might be causing the overlay, e.g. Facebook, Messenger, Clean Master, Instagram, YouTube, etc. Tap the app causing the issue and go to Advanced Draw over other apps or appear on top. Disable the toggle or option that allows the app to show over other apps, screen overlay. You can do this for apps like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or any other app with floating elements. 2. Clear app cache and data. Sometimes clearing the cache and data of GCash or any app that might be interfering can help. Go to Settings greater than Apps and Notifications greater than GCash. Tap Storage and Cache. Click on Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Restart your phone and try using GCash again. 3. Restart your device. Once you've disabled any screen overlays, restart your device to make sure that the changes take effect and any residual overlays are cleared. 4. Uninstall problematic apps. Temporarily. If you've identified a specific app that's causing the issue, e.g. Facebook Messenger, Clean Master, or other overlay apps, you can temporarily uninstall or disable it to test if it fixes the problem. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than select the problematic app. Tap Uninstall or Disable. Try opening GCash again to see if the error goes away. Reinstall the app once you've confirmed the issue is resolved. Let me know if you need further clarification or additional steps.